Alright, so I'm gonna make a tutorial on how to get sound effects on polysonic RP+, because people have been asking me lately. But let's get into it, I guess. So first you need to go on to something like Safari or like a browser like Google Safari or whatever you have. And then log into ROBUX on your account. Go to Create. And then go to Store. And go to Audio. For this to work, you need the audio needs to be about 2 seconds or under, or else it's not gonna work. That's where a lot of people mess up. Let's browse an audio, so let's say I want like an alien audio. Sometimes the audio won't be able to play because of the stupid verification thing. More info. And copy the asset ID in the link. Alright, let's join one of my friends. Alright, now go to Character. Go to Jump Sound, enter ID, paste the ID in there.
And yeah, that's how you do it.
Hope this helped you a lot.
And see you guys, I guess.